Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to delete your Apple ID. First of all, you need to visit on this link https://privacy.apple.com, and once you are on this page you need to log in into your Apple account, and once you logged in you need to scroll down and you need to find the delete your account option, and you need to select request to delete your account. And once you select this option it will pop up a new window. On this window you need to select a reason why you want to delete your account, and there are lots of things what will happen when you delete your account, what type of data you will lose, and what are the precautions you should take before deleting your account. There are lots of information available. You need to read their each and every terms and conditions before deleting your account. To secure your data, to backup your data, you must read all the policies. And once you select a reason for deleting, and you can follow the prompts, and you can delete your data, you can delete your Apple ID very easily. Okay, now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.